Ooh, I have literally removed my lipstick in preparation for this because I know. But before I get into everything, hi, hello, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm CourtneyQuarantine. I'm a full-time content creator, variety streamer, makeup artist, and today we're gonna get into some makeup. I have a really cool package here from one of my favorites. They make some of the coolest lipsticks, and I kind of just want to dive in and talk about them, try them, maybe swatch a couple, but I really want to if there's a particular couple that I need to put on. Maybe I'll just start with one, I don't know. I kind of like to treasure these things. However, I don't know if I can be stopped today. I've been watching their socials on this, and I do think there's actually one in there that I already have and that I've used a lot. But anywho, we're gonna get into it. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. Giving this video a like, giving it a thumbs up, and commenting something down below. Could be something that you're excited about, could be a new makeup release that you're excited about, could be something that you wish to see in makeup, or something unrelated to makeup. Maybe something that you're doing for the summer, or maybe a fun drink that you've had recently, a good iced tea, who knows? But if you're returning, hey bestie, hey, thanks so much for being here. It really means a lot. Okay, let's get into this freaking package, dude. I'm so excited. Ooh. That's right, baby. That's right. I feel like I'm so excited I'm gonna start drooling. Before anything, Necromancy Cosmetica, thank you so much. I freaking adore y'all. You know this, I know this. We all probably know this by now. Truly, truly, some of my favorite lipsticks and just some of my favorite tones. They just do such a wonderful job. It feels so like at home. Like the shades just feel like alternative and cool and wonderful and just, oh, you can use Courtney with them. And if you do, thank you so much. I am gonna dive into these shades, but I feel like with brands that I like kind of know that I love already, I feel like I can put my stamp of approval on it. However, you know, we shall see, but I love them so much. There's some of the lipsticks that I lose the most, and I feel like that's always a really good sign to me because like I take them out, I travel with them, I take them when I go like out just in my little pockets or my crossbody or what have you. You can probably assume that Lestrange is always with me. I don't even know where Lestrange is right now. Lestrange is on a vacation. I don't know where she went. So anyway, oh my god, the card alone, Dude, oh my god. In memoriam. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Even just this? Bro. Cosmetica, that's my baby. I know you. Oh my goodness gracious. Can't wait. Ooh, aw. In Memoriam is a deeply personal collection created in remembrance of those we've loved and lost. Okay, I'm immediately crying. It honors the beauty found in grief, the strength in memory, and the emotions that linger long after a farewell. Ooh, this timing is hitting a little hard. Ooh, thank you for being a part of our family and for allowing us to share these moments with you. With love, Des and Zal. Oh my god. Well, that's very sweet, and I do enjoy that. Ooh, hold on. Grief and things like this are really a fickle thing. Okay. Ooh, I love that paper. It's like gray. It looks like cement. There's a sticker. Yay! Oh, I'm gonna put this in my water bottle. I had one like this and I think I put it somewhere. I put it on my little cork board, but oh, I'm so excited. Thank you for the sticker. Oh god, I'm not prepared for these shades. I'm gonna tell you right now. I am not ready for these shades, dude. Oh my god. Okay, so I have one bamboo refillable one, which is quite nice because I can switch out the ones that I want to put in this. And then that way I'm not like over consuming these. Like I don't have too many of these when I just like honestly can just use the one. I want to take a minute for the packaging again because this is some of my favorite packaging. I just think it's really cool, really well done, and just like freaking the vibe. Like I don't know, man. Like I love this so much, and it's a joy to like look at. It's a joy to like see in my bag or my pocket or my backpack, whatever it is. Like I love. Hello. Oh. Ooh, seeing these. Ooh, my heart is racing. Cosmetica, know you, love you. I'm not sure where mine is actually. Wait, I'm not gonna lie. Cosmetica was one I kept up on top of my desk, so I don't know where that one went either. Lamento? De La Rosa? Hello? Memento? Ooh, Sepulcro? Looks like a blue-black. That looks like a blue-black. Okay, all right, let me focus. Let me focus my energy. Let me calm down. Let me breathe. Just breathe. I kind of want to try Lamento first. Yeah, I need to try Lamento first. So this is the like refillable one, which honestly, I have Terra Matter just like this, and I kind of keep it small like this. I make sure the cap stays with it, obviously, like the top part, but this is what like the little refillable is, which is quite cute. Oh, Oh, immediately. Are you freaking kidding me? Whoa. Necromancy, did you make this for me? Did you make this for me? Oh, you made this for us. Holy wow. Oh my god. Stop it right now. Insane, actually. That. Hello? Oh no. This is my new favorite shade. This is my new favorite shade. Period. Full stop. Dude! Oh god. This formula is really interesting because it's matte, but it's almost like it adheres to your lips. It is incredibly long wear, but it is very different. It has a bit of a waxy feel that's like kind of intense, but it kind of like wears in. Looks like I'm doing the chicken dance, but like, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know how to explain that. If you've worn these, you kind of know the vibe, but like incredibly long wear, which they are like matte, but they're not so matte that they look dry. And remember, matte is a finish, so matte doesn't equal dry. Although a lot of matte things can be dry, I like to kind of like add that in there. That color's insane, actually. Okay. Oh, sweet heavens. Sweet freaking heavens. I need to try the other ones, actually. You know what? I'm gonna try the other ones. Osamenta, I Know I Love You. Dolorosa? Huh. Looks stunning. So again, here's a look at like the refill packaging. You get like the same kind of vibes as the refillable bamboo case, but this is the lipstick refill. It is very, very cute. You got Diva over here still, and then you have the shade indicator on top. Yes. Oh god, yes. Uh-huh. A million, billion, trillion, gazillion. Yes. Dude, look at that. Look at that. Hello? Have I not been talking about a shade like this for so long? I hope this translates on my lips like how I think it's going to. Like a kind of like cool, like a cool pink. I don't know, man. I'm feeling it. I very much don't want to take this lip off, but I will. For this one. Freaking love that one. Oh my god. Mento, Lord. The combos with that? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I don't think I said earlier, but these have like kind of like a natural wax kind of smell. They have like a more natural scent that's not like, it doesn't feel like it's an added natural scent. It's more of just like a that's what it smells like because these are hand poured kind of vibe. This shade, I'm telling you right now, I think I love it. I think I'm in love, actually. Okay. Are you serious? Are you serious? Necromancy, are you serious? Yeah. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I want pink lipsticks to look like on me, you know? Oh my god. I'm gonna put a little black lip liner with it. I really can't help myself. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. So Necromancy just literally gave me my new favorite lipsticks. That's fine. That's great. Wow. That is unreal. That is honestly hello? Pardon? What I was trying to say is this is like a shade I've been dreaming of, honestly. So I'm so serious. The curiosity is getting to me. I need to try the others. I need to. Lord. Oh, enough. I am going to keep this Osamenta kind of sealed for now because I do know my other one is around here somewhere and I have to find it because that's one of my favorites. I'll find it, but you've also seen me talk about that a handful of times. I've done many a lip combo with that. I will honestly continue because it's beautiful. Thank you so much for bringing it back, Necromancy. Like, it's one of those shades that I think, and I hope everyone who wants to or even feels inclined to try a shade like that, a bone shade like that, can and does, because it's a staple. That kind of a vibe is beyond a staple in my collection, in my kit, in anything. Need it. Okay, let's see Memento, okay? Okay, Memento. Oh, okay. That is freaking stunning. That is that looks like it could be like a hot lipstick, you know? You know what I mean? The purple. The purple in it. The purple in it. Do you see the purple in it? Ooh, necromancy. Oh, Oh dear Lord. Oh my God. Oh sweet heavens above. Okay, so it's stunning and perfect. Literally making a perfect collection, I see. That's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Do you see how like desaturated these are though? Like it's not warm, bright in your face. This is one of the billion reasons that I love Necromancy, because they make lipsticks like this. Like this is like, ooh. The purple in that is absolutely freaking delightful. Delightful. Wow. What shade was this again? Hello? Memento. What was the first one? Lamento? Lamento. Stunning, gorgeous, also just kind of perfect on its own. I will probably combo this either way just because I like lip combos. Lip combos don't mean that I don't like the color. I just like what happens when you add and like kind of shape and form lipsticks. Obviously I like to do like my corners and using black lip liner and stuff like that, but just a little disclaimer. Wow. That is really stunning. Okay, let's try this last one. Sepulcro. Sepulcro. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. This is a blue black, I'm telling you right now. Oh. Hello. Oh. Dude. Bro. Oh. That's gorgeous. I swatched it. It's like a velvety black. Oh my God, that looks incredible. Hold on. Texture-wise, what's going on here? Why do my lips look literally perfect? You know how I feel about black lipstick, and if you don't know, I feel lots of many thoughts and things and emotions for black lipstick. This one in particular, I don't know what's going on with the finish, but it looks like satin velvet or something. I love. I found it. My Cosmetica was hiding, but let me show you. I'm gonna just swatch this next to the others, just so you can get a view of the whole like vibe, the whole collection. God, this shade really goes so hard. It's so good. It's like freaking concealer on my hand. Oh, I'm glad I found that though, because I have been looking for it. These are all of the shades swatched on my hands. I literally could not say enough good things about them. I'm obsessed. I think these are so cool. These kinds of tones, like this lineup, for me personally, these are my daily neutrals. These are my daily throw on kind of vibe, kind of shade. I feel like especially with this one, Lamento. Oh my stars. I love that one. I love that one so much. This pink, and then this, it gets more sultry, and then a staple freaking black, and then Cosmetica, aka a gorgeous, stunning, incredible mixer, a perfect like lip combo in the center. Like, good God. This with any lip liner, bro, I've absolutely loved. So I'm so glad that they brought this back. There's a little bit of a closer view on the swatches. Again, on my hand is not how they're gonna look on your face or on your lips, but just for a visual, gorgeous. Gorgeous dude. I actually don't know if I could pick a favorite because I feel like I would love all of them for different reasons. But I do have to say my heart is really like, I really freaking out for Lamento. Like there's not much in this world that I love more than like gray tone kind of lipsticks. And that feels like a purpley kind of cement. I love that. I love that so much. It makes me so happy. I think more lipsticks like this being in the market and being in the world is just like a freaking win. So Necromancy, congratulations also on this collection. And also thank you so much for sending these to me, like, and also giving me a freaking backup of Cosmetica. Like, that is actually so nice because I was being a little precious with it, but the fact that it's back is just really exciting. So anywho, big congratulations, but also a huge freaking thank you. I know that you can use Courtney with them, and I do like have that connection. However, I just love these. Otherwise I wouldn't be talking about these. I wouldn't be making a video. I wouldn't be sitting here. I wouldn't be editing this. And by the time you see this, I wouldn't have edited and put in all that effort to talk about it if I didn't truly deeply love it, and also really love the like owners too. Every interaction that I've had with the owners like has been so sweet and wonderful. So yeah, I really adore them. This is very cool. These are very staple shades to me. So oh my God, I just woo. Let me know if you had a favorite out of these shades, or if you have a Necromancy Cosmetica color that you really adore. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing, joining me here, giving this video a like, a thumbs up, and commenting something down below. It really helps with discoverability and it helps with my channel. So thank you so much. And as always, thanks for being here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Hot colors. Woo! I'm sweating.